Karnataka has the right ingredients of all that it takes to build a very advanced biotech ecosystem.
Any road that leads out of Bangalore, or for that matter into Bangalore, is actually, there is a biotechnology hub.
The ecosystem in Karnataka, especially in Bangalore, is very industry friendly. For biotechnology, we have high-class research institutes, whether it is the Indian Institute of Science, or whether it is the NCBS, or is the Agriculture Sciences University, or the IBAB.
The Bangalore Life Sciences Cluster is present at the University of Agricultural Sciences campus, and it's primarily made up of three institutions: the National Center for Biological Sciences, the Institute for Stem Cell Biology and Regenerative Medicine, and the Center for Cellular and Molecular Platforms called CCAM. Together, they become an outstanding intellectual hub.
The uniqueness of the Bangalore Helix is the presence of academic institutions like IBAB, Center for Human Genetics, as well as the Bangalore Innovation Center.
IBAB is a first of its kind institute involved in training and combined with biotech students in cutting edge areas of bioinformatics, and it is involved in incubating young companies and helping entrepreneurs in these areas.
The breadth and the depth of the skill base that is available here. I don't think there is any other city in India which has systematically, over the past 30 years, built up such a broad base of people who, in all areas of biotechnology.
So whether it is molecular and cellular biology, whether it is genetics and genomics, whether it is high-end IT and big data analytics, or whether it is high-end engineering and bioprocessing and biomanufacturing, Karnataka has it all.
The role of biotechnology in the field of agriculture is very important, and it is the need of the hour, and nation depends upon the growth of agriculture.
The Karnataka biofuel program is very unique. It empowers the rural community. It strengthens the agricultural activity in the rural areas. It generates a whole lot of employment through value addition activities in the rural areas.
One of the benefits of our strand virtual liver based approach to studying toxicity is that it actually minimizes or even eliminates in some cases the use of animal models, and therefore in where you do not want to have animal testing and yet want to understand the toxicity of molecules. This is perhaps one of the few options available.
The Center for Human Genetics is trying to fill this niche area, which is a highly demanding area, because under one institutional framework you need to have both medical specialists as well as basic scientists working together and complementing each other's skills.
We have got lots of scientists and doctors who are able to provide high-class care for these patients who have got extremely rare disorders. This has been possible because of our partnership with the biotech industry, which has helped us in providing enzyme replacement therapy to the patients, and also the special foods that some of these rare disorders require.
The cancer care has undergone a radical change in the last 5 years. From evidence-based medicine, we have come to personalized medicine. And this has happened mainly because of better understanding of the disease, better understanding of the gene makeup, and better therapy on an individual base suited to that based on their genetic expression and the biomarker expression. So this will revolutionize cancer care, and we in India, particularly in Bangalore being the hub, can truly become leaders, global leaders in the genomic therapy of oncology.
Karnataka has supported us in this journey for the past 30 years by providing us the conducive climate to do business here in India, and we have succeeded.
The kind of work that we do involves a lot of collaboration. And in Bangalore, we have found really the kind of collaborations, whether it's with big companies or smaller companies, which really are very relevant for our kind of work.
The strengths which IBAB gave us was the laboratory space, necessary infrastructure needed for a startup biotechnology company, and actually mentorship, which is more needed in this field.
IBAB offers also several other benefits like a wealth of very talented young people that we can choose from, interns, and also great infrastructure that the institute provides.
String is an early stage startup. We are developing an innovative solution to take waste, organic waste particularly, to biodegradable plastics. We've really built the team and the product at a remarkable speed over the last year, and the intellectual environment that Bangalore provides for a startup such as ours.
There are more and more entrepreneurs coming, and as the ecosystem grows with all the components already in place, any entrepreneur today finds it very easy to come and set up his operations here, and there is mentorship available, other business-friendly policies, the ambience is there, and so I see a very bright future for Karnataka's biotechnology industry.
The government of Karnataka decided to set up an autonomous vision group for biotechnology, which was an optimal blend of academia, industry and the government. The harmony and the alignment that these three groups of people have had at this vision group has really enabled us to come out with some of the most pragmatic policies in biotechnology, the required investments in biotechnology from the government, which has really allowed us to take a unstinted leadership position.
Government of Karnataka became the first government about 15 years ago when it wrote the first biotechnology policy, and then we came up with the Millennium Policy, and work is underway now for the next iteration of the biotechnology policy, which will give more incentives for industry to come and invest here, manufacture here, across the value chain. And what is interesting about the biotech policy we are formulating is the fact that for the first time, any government, anywhere in India, is setting up a bio-venture fund. And our intent is, just as Bangalore has the highest concentration of venture capital firms anywhere in the country, we want this bio-venture fund to be a trendsetter and become the preferred source of funding for startups in the biotechnology space.
The state has come out with always business-friendly policies, and in and around Bangalore there are a number of higher education institutions which provide the talent pool for such industries or enterprises.
Investing in quality foundations in science and technology is vital so that you're prepared for whatever change the world brings about, and so you can grab that change and do well.
There's a very, very unique ecosystem in this part of the world, and great things are expected to happen, and all this has been made possible solely because of the proactive role that Karnataka government has played.
It really doesn't matter which area of biotechnology you're working on. I think this is the best place to be.
Karnataka has been a pioneer in promoting industry. My government is committed to provide a stable, investor-friendly policy to ensure a smooth flow of investments to the state. My government is focused to provide quality infrastructure for industrial development. I welcome you all to invest in Karnataka.